Hello there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to make carousel post on Instagram. So for this, let's open our Instagram app. Once the app is open, click on this plus icon here and you will be directed to your gallery. Click on the post section here. Okay, so now here you need to choose a post here. So firstly, you need to click on select multiple and now here you need to choose multiple images here and you can choose up to 10 images. Okay, now click on next here. Now here you can add filter to your post like this. Then choose another post and add filter. Okay, after that you need to click on next here. It may take few seconds. So here in captions we will write slide to see more, and then you can add hashtags. And then you can add people too, you can tag them and then click on share. So in this way you can make a carousel post on Instagram. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.